Uncle don't show, I don't show again. My people, una good morning. I greet una, how una dey? I suppose una dey kampe. Nigeria go better. Make una no worry. Make una no worry, go better for us. And that is why they say make everybody dey pray for this nation. No so say if some people they wish the nation bad, and if you wish the nation bad, now yourself you wish. So may we pray for better of Nigeria, and Nigeria go there better for us. Make una no go anywhere. Me now Gloria Enoch now from Procyon radio and television, and this program now area Tori. I get wetin I wan show now. I waka go see this one. I no wan hear only me. So make una watch.
So yeah, this is what is happening live and direct in my house. So yeah, the whole world is watching. I don't have any details with anybody, court proceedings. Said my wife borrowed money, and the next thing they say she used my document as collateral. And then they are coming to eject me, throwing my things out from the house without my consent. This is what they are doing. My credentials are up, my documents are up.
Mother, wife, auntie, sister. Now you be now see that kind of thing. That is why they talk say 2 head is better than 1. Husband and wife now 1. And anywhere where you want to come, anyhow you want put them, husband and wife now 1. When I see that woman, wetin she do? He turn my belly, make my belly sour. You know why it make me sour? My belly sour be say now she use her hand kill herself. They say a wise woman build her house, and the foolish one, he say he take her hand destroy am. This woman don destroy her house, destroy her life, destroy her home. Wetin she do? No good. Before you go do this thing, before you go even plan, or before you get the mind to say you dey go collect loan, wey you go use your own house take keep, say if I no fit pay, carry my house. You no let your husband know. Na another big offense before man and God. If you no know, my sister, make me I tell you. For here we dey tell people as e be. We know the bend as we dey tell una from here. From Procyon radio and television, we know the hide mouth, so we dey tell people wetin supposed to be. Okay, my sister, that kind big money wey you collect, because for you to use that una fine house, all the labor wey you your husband struggle for this life, una get that kind fine house. People dey look the house say, oh, e be like say na me forget. But you wey get am, you don take your hand destroy am. Wetin you do with the money? Na the matter be that. Wetin you do with the money wey you no fit pay them? Because you see that kind money wey you collect, when you use this kind fine house, big house like this, no be small money. My sister, wetin you use the money do? When you reach the one wey be say dem go come become open shame, your husband dey shout, make una help me see na my house I dey. Your house I dey dem dey pack my things, dey show your whole secret no dey again now. Anywhere, enter kitchen, enter toilet, bedroom, see children, carry mattress, anywhere, gbogbo chairs, dem dey pack your things outside. My sister, Abba, you no do well now. Before you for start that thing, call your husband. Hey, anyhow you dey call am, whether na dear whether na sweetie see wetin I wan do. Your husband for put eye, 2 of una go put torchlight, feel that thing whether e go work for tomorrow. And you no do that one, my sister, you go carry your own self. You see that kind thing, e be like say you get friends wey dey advise you wey no know anything. Dem don push you put for pit, dem push you, you enter the pit, dem don run leave you now. Na your house na you dem wan carry now. Dem don carry the house sef, as dem dey pack the things out, so the house no be your own again. Maybe you belong to a group of women wey dem no dey let your husband know their in and out. Because if not so, your husband suppose to know this thing, because the money wey you collect e big, e plenty. Why you man no come out show your face? Say na me collect the loan, make una help me. Government help me make I pay, make my no carry my house. Because you know say wetin you do, e no good. You hide your face, na your husband dey show himself. See children, see your property for outside, open am to the whole world, make dem know you. E no good. That is why we dey always talk for here. They always talk say, if you think where your hand no reach, no go do. You see, while something there for on top of tree, you no fit go carry. No straight your leg go. Because if you carry go, if you no do well, e go hit you for your head. Maybe this one. E don hit you for head now. E be like say you gather kaya, put inside the canoe, they enter river. As you reach the middle of the river, the canoe capsize. The whole thing go. Now be this one. as you carry that money, you carry your house give, you carry the money come back, you dey use the money before you go reach half of the river, the canoe, your canoe don capsize, the money don go. House na dey carry leave you. Where you go now? Those your property wey dey outside wey plenty so. Which house you go rent again? Where your husband go start? Where you go start? Where the children go dey? Shame don become for you. Nobody go blame another person. Me like this, na you are the blame. Now they hear me. Anything wey you dey do, whether na small or big, let your next person wey be your husband, your love, your darling, your brother, your uncle. Na your husband be all those things for you. Your father, your uncle, your brother, na him. Let am know before any other person go do. No, because if to say your husband no, if I tell you say, my wife, this thing no go benefit us, no collect this money, we no go use our house. Make we manage one way we. Even na shop you go open, e better make you manage yourself with your small shop wey you get than to say you wan do am big, then you no go anywhere. Your house dem don collect. Me, I no dey talk more than that o. People wey watch this program, abeg o, if una get comments there, make una drop una own comments, because this one everybody go chook mouth put. Make una see wetin this woman do. Una wey be wife, wey una get mind to do this kind thing, una don see this one now. You see as shame don become her own. Make una no try am o. Anything wey you wan do, let your oga know, let your husband know. No do am only you. No go to am for back say I wan surprise am. Things I no go fit make am. I go make, you no fit make am only you. Without your husband know it, you no go fit. If you do am only you go backfire like this. So that is why I dey tell una say, well, I no forget say na from Procyon radio and television, and this program na area tori. My name na Gloria Enoch alias Coco. Abeg una no go anywhere before. Make una just like, share and subscribe for me. That one na be my own. Now here I go stop o. Make una stay well. Na bye bye.